FindPenguins Travel Honest Review Watch before using. Most people assume travel journals are old-fashioned, but FindPenguins brings a digital twist to documenting adventures worldwide. FindPenguins is a travel app that allows users to track trips, upload photos, and create interactive travel maps. One standout feature is automatic geotagging, which lets the app pinpoint where photos were taken and plot them on a map, creating a visual journey of your travels. Most people get this wrong. They think it's just another photo sharing app. The surprising truth is FindPenguins combines journaling, travel planning, and community engagement. You can write stories, share tips, and follow other travelers' adventures to gain inspiration for your next trip. Another advantage is its offline functionality. Even when traveling in remote areas without internet, you can continue logging your journey, and the app syncs once you're back online. FindPenguins also allows exporting your journal into a PDF or printed book, preserving memories in a tangible form. However, there are considerations. Some advanced features, like exporting books or accessing premium maps, require a paid subscription. Additionally, the app is primarily geared toward long-term or frequent travelers, so casual users may find limited value. In conclusion, FindPenguins is an innovative tool for travelers who want to document their journeys and share experiences. Its combination of interactive maps, storytelling, and community features makes it more than just a travel diary. Subscribe for more honest travel app reviews to help you plan and capture your adventures effectively.